we are booking Singapore tickets. You will dictate the passport numbers and I will enter them because I will make a mistake. I don't trust myself. You know, in every family, there's this child who's trustworthy with all of this. That's Jasmine in this house. And we were in Pune and we had a flight from Pune to Delhi and she made us miss the flight.
जो हमारा पुणे एंटर करने का फ्लाइट टाइम था, I thought that was our departing time.
Yeah, whatever, you messed up, right? And she started crying airport पे. And we're like, रो क्यों रही है भाई, दूसरी फ्लाइट ले लेंगे. तो ये बहुत टच सेंसिटिव भी है. मैं दिलेर हूँ, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मिस होगी कोई बात नहीं.
क्योंकि हम बहुत ज्यादा ये गलती करते हैं, इसलिए we become used to it.
We are used to it. मैंने फ्लाइट मिस की है, ट्रेन्स मिस की है,
चीजें घुमाई हैं.
चीजें घुमाई हैं. तो थोड़ा मैं हार्डन्ड हो गया हूँ लाइफ में. घर में अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलता ना, मम्मी मेरी जैकेट कहाँ है या ये कहाँ है, छोड़ तो नहीं आए किसी होटल. तू होटल में छोड़ाया होगा, चार्जर छोड़ाया होगा, पता है. Fly from New Delhi at 9:45, land at 6 in the morning, then return 4:40, land at 10 p.m. in New Delhi.
Fare that you're selecting, does it have lounge access to it?
Does it have lounge access? Lounge access इतना बेकार हो गया ना दिल्ली में. It's like a bus station.
No, but Delhi नहीं, Changi पे you need lounge access.
Yes, Changi Airport will need lounge access. Let us check that. Jasmine's like, अब सारे passport numbers recheck कर. And I'm like, मैंने life में revision भी नहीं किया board से. Bro, I hated revision. Trust you me, I have not done revision. गलती होगी. I can't.
And I always had this stuff.
It's a mark of laziness, huh?
I don't know. I've always had this thing. Like before my exam, at about like whenever I used to be pulling all-nighters, at about 3 o'clock, 2:30. How much is left? I would leave that, and then my revision starts. Then I have to go back and revise whatever I've done.
Achha, I'm finally making the payment. Now, of course, this is the amount. The hope is I get 34,000 points on this because this is a 10% cashback card, right? So not 34,000, at least. Yeah, 34,000 because 3,40,000 पे तो मिलना चाहिए. But I will let you know, अगर 34,000 points नहीं मिले, then तो it's a scam. But I'll let you know अगर मिलते हैं या नहीं. चलो, let's do this. चलो जी, tickets are done, बापू. Are you excited, baby? Okay, no response is also a response.
बहुत दिनों बाद जा रहे हैं भैया.
हाँ जी. ये देखो, Mishi makes. मम्मी ये क्रीम है? नहीं. Oats flour है इसमें? That's crazy.
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ मेशी मिक्स का आइटम है.
हाँ, ये रेसिपी आपको डालनी चाहिए. Oats flour. कितनी शरीफ बहन है मेरी.
क्यों?
करी स्प्लिट वाइज पर डाल दे सारा खर्चा.
आधा दूंगी ना.
हाँ, और आधा मैं दूंगा. Let's go, baby.
वो भी करूंगी ना. But I'll carry my card. I'll use it somewhere in Singapore.
हाँ, वहाँ शॉपिंग के लिए तू कार्ड यूज कर लियो, मैं दे देता हूँ. एंड तू मुझे गिफ्ट दे दियो हाफ द मनी.
क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से तू चल रहा है, तेरी लिमिट थोड़ी तो यूज हो रही होगी पहले जाने से पहले ही.
Yo, yummy.
फूल का खाओगे?
Yummy. Very yummy.
यार और ब्रेड में.
तात क्या कर रही थी तू? Good night now. No, not easy waking up this morning. Really want to just keep sleeping in. It is absolutely settled that waking up is hard, staying awake is easier. So what I've realized is laying in bed after your alarm has gone off is actually the hardest part because that is where struggle is Ultra Pro Max. Once you're out of bed, it starts to get easier. Once you're in the shower, far easier. Once you're out, you're all good to go.
So till Diwali also I did not eat anything. After that I went for traveling.
Alright, so that is done, and Saket's doing some mindset work with me, and he was just discussing how he went to the Golden Temple 4 months ago, felt brilliant energy, and he got intrigued with the Sikh philosophy, the Chardi Kala philosophy, and then he sort of came across my account because the algorithm works that way, right? Because I'd made some videos on Chardi Kala. And he's also coming for the Level Up weekend in Feb, so that's gonna be exciting. Let's go have a beverage and then walk. Hi, morning. वो दे दो मुझे ककाओ डाल के फिर चलते हैं. ओए, Tad, क्या कर रहे Tad ने? Okay, this body might as well be my favorite ever. The 18th body. It says, Jatis Pana Ta Man Vasaya. Whatever direction pleases the Lord, that is where our minds go into. Kar hukam mastak hat tar. Vicho mar kaddiyan buraiyan. that the evils within us will be removed if His grace descends upon us. Such is the importance attached to His grace and His benevolence. When it pleases the Lord, our minds get imbued with good qualities. So therefore, the massive ingredient is Lord's glance of grace. Now come to think of it, Sikhi believes how hukam is forever pervading. So no matter what you do, the hukam shall prevail. No matter what you do, the evils aren't going anywhere that are within you. It's His grace. So we might think that that suspends active agency, that you think your efforts don't matter. I think that would not be a very brilliant, cohesive, coherent understanding. A good understanding could be that active effort is important, but stick with it for a while, and that increases the chance of His grace descending on you, which is the modern day mindset of be consistent and things will happen. So when you stick with something long enough, the probability of His grace descending on you increases, but it's never certain, which is when we say, stay consistent. It's not certain you'll succeed, but it's a high probability. This body actually deserves a deeper study, and I'm going to do that as well. Body 18 of Asa Divar.
Number bhejo. Papa wants to talk for Rishta. I don't know for you or for me. That one I sent you only feel wala. He's like English mat dekhna bas.
Okay, just received this from the school. Dear Karan, thank you for your support, your continued patronage, season's greetings. She stood there like a lamppost. Eh hai saadi patronage. And मैंने तो बड़ा sensible लग decision. Like I said earlier, painting था चाहिदी सी. The space was empty. But ਹੁਣ donation भी होगी, school ਨੂੰ भी ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ respect ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ society ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Let's be honest. Tax deduction ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ. पेंटिंग भी आ गई करे. So much has been done. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸੋਚ ਲਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਪੇਂਟਿੰਗ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ, ਆਰਟਵਰਕ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ. It's going to be a little expensive, but story ਤਾਂ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ now for a lifetime. I mean, I can say na the story behind this. I hope it's making sense. So financially also, and as far as our position in society is concerned, मैंने ਤਾਂ ठीक decision ਲੱਗਿਆ overall. Just been looking at stocks working. ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲੀਏ coffee ਪੀ ਕੇ gym. ਚਲੋ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ French press ਪੀਾਂਗੇ. French vanilla. छोटा जो फ्रेंच प्रेस है एक ब्रांड ने भेजा सी कोलैब ਲਈ और उन्होंने कदे कंफर्म ही नहीं की ब्रांड डील तो ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ. So now I'll basically let this be for 2.5 minutes and then I'll tell you how the coffee looks. Oh, the coffee is excellent, totally yummy, but I ended up adding a lot of coffee, so this is like extra strong. I'll just have a half of this. So this is a long sleeve shirt I'd ordered for the gym. Kolyo. Color looks nice. Baby brown.
Looks nice.
Hana? Gym friendly kapda hai. And it has like a zip thingy. Let's see how it looks pen ke. And let us now try this. मैं आज तक जो कुछ भी ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया है रिटर्न नहीं किया कदे भी. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਟ੍ਰੀਕ ਹੈ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਰਹੇ. Let's see ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਹੈ. Good. Decent. Fit ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹੈ. Yeah, kind of like it. What do you guys think? Black pug ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਨਾ. Hanji, this is the final look and I'm kind of happy with it. I want pants because it's a little cold, otherwise I'll do shorts, but with shorts also this should look very good. This is definitely not for the summer, but for the winter it's perfect for a workout and I really like this. By the way, cost, because that matters. It's $14.99 or something. 1500 rupees ki hai. I just ordered one and there's like a million colors. I just ordered one ki dekhte kaisi. Anyway, I like it. Anyway, this is not a collab by the way, okay? I would have mentioned if it's a collab. Mere paisa se aayega. But yeah, you see I like this color. So I wear a lot of this. Theek thak lag raha hai. Mouse color. Or design machine auntie kendi hai. Mouse color. A quick spray of the piss and we are good to go. Yeah, good to go.
It's nice. I think it looks good.
Simple, sober.
It looks good.
And the gains are also popping. By the way, बिंदाल पुल पे 20 आधे घंटे का जाम है.
पर क्यों?
लॉयर्स की स्ट्राइक है घंटा घर पे. तो तो हम गोल्ड्स चलते हैं आज.
Who told you that's right?
पापा ने वीडियोस भेजी है इतनी सारी. अच्छा वो मेरे को भेजी है, लव्ड वंस पे नहीं भेजी.
This secretive father dad bond. I don't like this. Sorry, father son bond.
The gobi is actually coming out nicely. See that? So today's a push day, but we're gonna try a different gym. And now I'm inspired to try a 45 or a 50 kilogram dumbbell. But I'm supposed to be deloading. Like I'm supposed to be taking it very easy this week. But let's see. I'll mostly do everything at 2/3 capacity. Well, gym जाके देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Tell me how much should you load? Like I've always done like bench press, right? There's a reverse bench press as well. Like where you go ऊपर से नीचे. Is the load do you do the same load or do you lower load?
Reverse तो मैंने life में नहीं किया. Girls do all sorts of stuff except like weightlifting ना.
You shut up. How is bench press with weights not weightlifting?
Rope yoga, air yoga, this yoga, goat yoga. They'll do anything but actually lift.
See, that is why I say feminism came couple of years ago, hasn't entered your dictionary yet. नीचे यहाँ से चल. Lift is very slow.
Yo, चल beer पीनी है.
Questions. आज deload करूँ, extra lift करूँ या beer पीऊँ?
Yo, yes.
हम इससे बहुत better ला रहे थे.
मतलब ठीक
Hit an
है.
8-foot tree we have hit that.
ऐसा ही था. Met this young man. Well, you look jacked, bro. Amazing. Good progress.
Thank you.
She was like $500 for the daily pass, and I'm like, discounted. She's like, अभी वर्कआउट करो, बाद में देखते हैं. इतना औखा है यहाँ डंबल ढूंढना. पूरी कन्वर्जन चल रही है यहाँ. 100 pounds to kilogram is 45. चलो जी, करिए और. Taking a very long break before I attempt this because the body needs to be fully rested. About a 3-minute break, and then we go for it.
How was your workout? How much did they charge you?
400 each.
दोनों में sign है?
हाँ दोनों में कर देना.
So Jasmine's basically getting some formalities done for the flats we're building, right? Because Jasmine and I are going to be taking care of that. She's a very responsible woman. The formalities do not need me at this juncture, so I'm going to focus on lunch.
Like how you're so disciplined. It's
I eat
crazy.
normal home food, yeah. It's regular home food, nothing extra.
You got this. This is a 3-topper.
Tree what? Topper. लग जाएगा हमारे पेड़ पे.
Your belts.
Good girl, you're telling me लगा देंगे.
Then this is a ball, ribbons.
तो ये ribbons लगाएंगे कहाँ?
मैडम के दिमाग में
वो बनाएंगे ना.
She's the creative head ना.
अच्छा हाँ वो बनाएंगे. So this is we've received a courier and charger back from an Airbnb guest who stole the remote, man. Vani, do you resonate with this theft?
Please, it's not theft. Some people by mistake carry it.
How charger head I can understand. Remote कौन लेके जाता है?
Benefit of doubt.
वानी चोरी क्यों करते हो? मनीषा कोई गलती से रिमोट ले जा सकता है, चार्जर ले जा सकता है, मैं मान सकता हूँ कि उन्होंने सोचा मेरा है, ले जाओ. Remote is theft, and we only got it because we complained to Airbnb. They didn't accept it. But this is not cool. For such a small item, you destroy your reputation. It's not cool.
It's a fucking remote. Nobody is destroying reputations over that.
Bro, exactly. चोरी करना है तो 1000-2000 करोड़ की चोरी करो.
Like
200 रुपए की
गाना
चोरी.
लगाना.
ये है ना, देख दियो, ओए होए निकल गया रिमोट. ये वेलकम बैक.
Yeah, this is like a bit.
या हाउ कैन यू टेक दिस गलती से इतना बड़ा सा. गलत है वैसे वानी, आपको कुछ सोचना चाहिए.
Opening 4.6% ऊपर.
चलो जी, this warm shower was a blessing. This ends the day. ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਕੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਵਾਈਬ ਸ਼ਾਈਬ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੈਂਡਲਸ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ. But this was good. See you all tomorrow and God bless. Happy holidays as well.